Thank you all for making the commitment to be here today. Some of you came a very long way, like Connecticut. To get started this morning, I'd like to get a little bit of a feel of why you're here. So if you could just briefly state your name and the company that you're with, and what question or what topic you would like to see us address during our time here today. We're going to give you a different picture about PHC perhaps today, insofar as we're focusing more on the soil care side of that equation. So for those of you guys who have been just cutting down trees, what would the world look like without trees? So obviously there's more business, more potential to keeping trees alive and healthy and adding to the environment in which we live. So what comes first, the program or the equipment? The program. And then I'll help you figure out how to get your program delivered to your customer. Because 2, 3, 4 years down the road, when you outgrow that piece of equipment, I can take all those components and put into your next piece of equipment. So you don't have to reinvest in some of that. We can use some of what you already have. It doesn't help any of us sitting in this room or elsewhere if we can't figure out how to do our business and hopefully do it better and get a higher level of customer acceptance and satisfaction. Okay, so that's the next point I want to share with you. That we're all in this together and we can help each other be more successful if we can use each other's strengths to do the things that we're trying to do. So our point is, if you're going to go into this soil care concept, and we think it's extremely profitable, it's very beneficial to you and your customer, you need to figure out how to manage that. Whether you do it yourself or whether you take on other partners who are going to do that for you, it is a holistic. Nate, you started off the very first thing with that word, and we've been using it all morning. It's a holistic. The other key word here is sustainability. That's a big buzzword today. Try to create things more sustainable. People pay you for results. They don't care whether you do 10 applications or 3 applications. If you can produce the result for them, that's really what they're looking for. And it's possible to create more and more sustainable environments.